Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to briefly explain one branch of linguistic, which is pragmatic. Simply put, pragmatics is the study of the meaning of context. While semantic focus on the literal meaning of words, uh, pragmatic focus on the what speakers actually meaning mean, depending on the situations, context, and interaction between speakers. For example, when someone says it's cold here, literally it not only means that the temperature is low. However, in a current context, this sentence can function as an indirect request to close the window. This type of meaning is known as pragmatic meaning. And one important concept in pragmatics is the context. The meaning of an utterance atau ucaran can change depending on the place and situation and the relationship between the speakers. The same sentence may sound polite in one situation but unpolite in another. Another key concept of speaker's meaning, which refers to what the speakers intends to communicate beyond the literal meaning. Okay, the another key concept is speaker's meaning, which refers to what the speaker intends to communicate beyond the literal meaning. For instance, when someone says, for example, can you pass the salts? This is not asking for the ability, but making a request. And in pragmatic, speaking is also understood as performing an actions. This idea is called speech act. For example, when someone says, I promise I will help you, the speaker is not only saying words but also performing the act of making a promise. And pragmatic also studies implicature, which is meaning that is implied rather than directly stated. For example, when someone says some student passed the exam, it usually that not all students passed. In addition, pragmatic explain why people often speak indirect to be polite. For example, the sentence "Can you open the door?" is grammatically is a question, but the functions it is a request. This is known as an indirect speech act and is very common in daily communications. And finally, pragmatic is important because without understand context and cultural norms, communicate may fail. This situation is called pragmatic failure, wherein utterance atau ucaran is grammatically correct but sound inappropriate or rude. Okay, to conclude, pragmatics help us understand meaning beyond words, including context, speaker intentions, and social interactions. Therefore, pragmatic plays an important role in linguistic and everyday communications. And thank you for watching.